So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to have unlimited watch list symbol on your TradingView. So basically first open your web browser on your desktop, and once you're in, just simply type in tradingview.com and enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And in this case, I'm using a Google Chrome to do this method. So after you access your account, you will see which is the watchlist section located at the right. So when you click the plus icon, which is the add symbol, you will redirect to this page, whereas you can add a symbol to add on your watch list. So basically, you just have to click the plus icon beside the symbol that you wanted to add on your watch list, and you can click or add as many as you want. Like for example, this one, I will add tons of symbols right there. And as you can see, it is adding on the section on the watch list. So that's how you have unlimited watch list and add symbols on watch list section.